how do we remove those dents from your car, your hail damaged car? Okay, it looks terrible. It's got dents everywhere. How could we possibly get those out? I used to think the same thing when I got hailed on back a long time ago. And I was like, how do they get those out? It's real simple, actually. We massage the dents out from the bottom side of the panel. All of our technicians are master certified technicians and been doing this for a very long time. It takes them a long time to get good at it. No, you cannot just go buy a suction cup off of a TV infomercial and pull the dent out. It'll actually make it from an innie to an outie, right? Dry ice, I've heard all these different wives' tales as far as how to fix these cars. And hey, you do you, but at the end of the day, our guys are master technicians. And what we do is it's super clean, green, and easy on the car. And we access every panel from access points that are naturally with the vehicle. So if we're going through to the fender, we might go through your headlamp access point by pulling your headlamp out and sliding a tool in there. If we're going to work on your quarter panel, we'll go through the tail lamp. Okay, if we're going to work on the roof of your vehicle, we're going to drop the headliner and then slide a tool in there and massage the dents up. Okay, same with the hood. We're just going to unscrew the hood, put on a nice rubberized rack, and massage the dents up from the bottom of the hood. Okay, once we're done, the great thing is it looks like it never happened, and it looks like you have a brand new car again. So if you have any questions about the process, if we can help you out anywhere along the way, even if we need to refer you to somebody, let's say you have some very extensive hail damage, I've got some great body shops I can refer you to as well. So either way, we do free inspections. Give us a call, 720-940-0060, or book through the website. Thanks.